So being agile is one thing that we really strive to do. So what is agile? What does that really mean? It means being able to iterate quickly and change. And when you're in a startup and creating products and testing it, you need to be quick to survive. Because if you're slow, you won't be able to make changes quickly enough for other people to use it. And how we maintain an agile working environment within our company is through a project management technique called Scrum, which at its core is taking a big project and breaking it down into tons of pieces to solve that big problem 10 times quicker. It's very important to be agile when developing your MVP because as long as no one likes your MVP, then you have as opposed to developing the business plan first. If you have a business plan and it turns out no one likes your MVP, then you wasted all that time creating the business plan as opposed to iterating and iterating over again and finding out what and how to make your application or business provide value to your target customer. Scrum is not a technique you may use when you're a single person developer working on your project and putting it out there. But what you still be doing is you'll be working quickly and iteratively. And that process is called a sprint. And in order to prepare yourself for a bigger working environment, working on a team and actually implementing that full-out Scrum system, that week-long or the 2-week sprint period should be something you're ingrained in. You should, by the end of 2 weeks, you should have a product you're ready to ship and give out to people to test, get feedback, and start a new sprint and iterate on what you think needs to be added or taken away. An MVP is something that it's a buzzword that's used all over the startup community and entrepreneurship. But what does that MVP stand for? It stands for minimum viable product, which is exactly what it sounds like. It's a product that's minimal, but it proves its purpose. Whether it's an app that just displays dummy data and goes side to side, or it's a functioning app with only one feature. As long as you can give it to someone and they can use it, they can get somewhat of a feel of what it actually is, you're creating an MVP. There could be many stages and iterations of it, but it's extremely valuable to be able to give someone something and have them use it and give you feedback, as opposed to just hearing a concept without anything to back it up.